Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Google Photos. First, if I going on Google Photos, then you can see here are all the language are Hindi. So I want to change this. Just go your here type language. Then going on here, type your targeted language, the first one. Then you can see this is English United Kingdom. Again, just click on enter. Then you can see all the language are changed, it's English. Now I again going on my this Google Photos. You can see all the settings are now English. So this very easy. So this is a method how you can change Google Photos language. So if you have found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care. Goodbye.